I'm here to speak about, is vaping good for you? While most people have their opinions, I will tell you mine. And I will section it out to make you understand. Number one, health. Not just your physical health, but your mental health. It can really mess with your brain. When you leave your vape somewhere, to all the vapors here, what do? You start feeding, don't you? Yeah, you really want to vape, okay? That's bad for you because you lose focus and you can't really focus on things, you know? And number two, addiction. Most people say they won't get addicted to it. Most people say they can put it down, but can you? Can you really put it down? No, you can't. And don't lie. And number three, the price. It's bloody ridiculous. Like $25 for something you suck on. Think about that. Flavored air. You pay $25 to suck on flavored air. Why is that? Why don't you use our atua, our oxygen, you know? Oxygen is good for you. And that is my opinion on why is vaping good for you. And my conclusion is, it's not good for you. Don't do it. Don't start. It will really mess with your health and your brain. Thank you for listening to me. Have a good afternoon.